In this video, I'm going to show you how to add Excel sheet in ArcGIS. Now, the easiest way to do this is to simply go to the Map tab up top, and then from here, click on Add Data, okay? So click on this plus button up top, and it's gonna open up your File Explorer over here. Now, from here, you must find your Excel sheet. So I have it here inside my downloads. If I open this right now, you'll be able to see I'm gonna go and do it by date modified, and there we go. Here I have a tutorial sheet, okay? As you can see, it's in XLSX over here. It could be in XLS as well. So as long as it's an Excel file, you're good to go. As you can see, it says type Excel. So I'm going to click on this and I'm going to click on open. Now, if you have multiple sheets, or sometimes if you have only one as well, it's going to prompt you to actually select your Excel sheet inside that document you want to put in. So as you can see here, I only have one. It's called sample data. And this is actually this one over here, sample data sheet. That's this one. And as you can see, there's just basically some longitude and latitude values in here, and it's like some coordinates, okay? So of course I'm going to put that in here. You want to select the sheet you want and click on OK. Now this is going to add it over here on the left hand side, and that's essentially how to add it. Now for spatial data, you can right click on this added table over here inside your contents, and you can click on where it says create points from table, and then go to XY table to point. Now when you do this here, it's going to basically convert it to this window, and then it's going to start loading, and just like this, you can just hit the OK button if that looks good. And as you can see, it's going to start importing it, and it's going to give you your coordinates. So for me over here, it's just some random data, and as you can see, it basically put these coordinates on here on my map I have over here, and I can enable them or disable them, whatever you want to do. So that's essentially how to add Excel sheet in ArcGIS. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.